Hey folks, how you doing today? So I am the slot restoration guy here at the Mantiques Network. I've never been able to train anybody. I've been in it for 42 years, so I enjoy doing them. I just recently purchased this 1924 Mills operator's bell. I was very fortunate. I actually got a pair of these, and I did one first. The other one is sitting. When I got this machine, it was really super nice. I've had a lot of operators bells, as well as I have some over here still. But this one just came in so complete because it had the original mint vendor, it had the original future pay in it, along with the meter, which is in here, and it also had the token vending portion of it, which uses these. I'm sure some of you have seen these tokens where it's the same size as a nickel with a hole in them. I'm going to show you what those were actually used for. So we'll start by just simply playing the machine. I actually was testing it a minute ago, and I hit 2 cherries, which pays 2. So future pay means, see, they were trying to get around the law here. That's what the mint vendor was about. That's what the future pay was about. And that, as well as what the tokens are all about, was to get around the law. So I'm going to go ahead and play this again. I've already hit 2. Okay, so now what happens, the future pay means if you win some tokens or some coins, you have to play it again in order to get them. Okay, that's why it has dropped me 1 nickel, and I have been playing the tokens through it, and it gave me a token and a nickel. When you play the machine, the nickels go into the pay tube as well as the tokens. Okay, so let's move along here. So I want to play it again for you. So every time you play this machine, oh, so I hit it again. See, the coins did not drop. Jeff, show them in the window here. You're going to see in the window here, right here where it says 2 coins. Okay, that's what I got. Stay on the window. I'm going to play it off. Okay, my 2 coins are going to go out here, and then this goes back. Oh, I hit it again. Okay, so I won 2 more, but you see this goes back. Oh,
it said mint inside.
Right, so I want to get it played off, right? So here comes my more tokens or coins. So now it goes to mint. Okay, so you see mint in there. That means that every time you play the machine with a nickel, you get a pack of mints. Okay, so there's our mints. So when you play it again with a nickel, okay, it resets. Okay? So I played it with a nickel, I can get my pack of mints. Okay? So now I can get my mints. Now, if I play it with a token, okay, you notice it did not reset. You cannot take mints with tokens. So as you read here, 5-cent mints, a package, 5 cents, your nickel buys, whatever it says it here, in premium coupons. Premium coupons is the token, is the premium coupon. Designed to stimulate sales or gum, mints, or merchandise. You just get what your indicator reads. So here, before you make the purchase though, this machine looks in the window above to see just what you can buy for your nickel, okay? Coupons received from the machine should be traded in for merchandise, as the machine will not vend gum or mints. So it's kind of tricky. You had to put a nickel in to get the mints. If you play tokens, the machine recognizes it and will not give you a set of mints. If you play a nickel, okay, the machine recognizes the difference between the nickel and the token. It resets, and you can get a pack of mints. It's really quite ingenious. That's one of the reasons that I bought the machine, paid good money for it, is because everything is in it. So it's really a cool machine. You rarely see them when it has the future pay with the dial in it, as well as the token stuff in it, which I will include about 10 or 15 tokens on behalf of you. So what I like to do with these goosenecks, it's the only machine I do it with. I like to add the feet, which are just screwed on, doesn't do anything to the machine, as well as I like the beautiful plate nickel top sign, which is solid brass, then chrome plated. I think it makes a beautiful 3D package. You know, it's all bolt on, doesn't do anything to the machine. Original mint vendor once again. I personally built the whole machine, refinished the cabinet. Look at that wood, isn't that beautiful? All done up super nice, as well as I was able to save the original finish on the back door. This is actually a steel frame, which in the old days they used to hand grain with brushes and by hand. The mechanism has clearly been completely gone through. Come on now. Okay, so clean as a whistle. It's been completely degreased, tuned up, lubed, and all done good. So, nice original cash box. Okay, as you see, just an absolutely spotless and clean machine. This is a real gem. I love the machine. I love the old goosenecks. 1924. That puts it at like, I don't know, 95 years old. Plays well. This is a good play machine. You can actually play this machine. You know, it's not something you can't play. It plays great. Beautiful gooseneck, original 10 reel strips in the machine, and I had a beautiful, basically reproduction, high quality award card for it, which we put in it, which is covered by plastic so that if you spray it with some Windex or something to clean your chrome, you won't mess up your paper. Anyway, absolutely beautiful machine. Somebody's going to be very, very, very pleased to have this. As you see, I won again. I just won 10, okay, 2 oranges and a bar. My coins are sitting up here. There they are, right? And I've been playing it with the tokens because it's a lot of fun. So you will be receiving tokens for the machine, and you're going to love this machine. Plays great. Anyway, somebody's going to get real lucky, and congratulations to the new buyer.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.